guys, welcome back to Tuesday Tip Videos. Today we will be talking about
Diablo blades.
Oh yeah, and
I got a new line in. So.
And I'm back. I know I haven't been in the videos for a couple weeks because I've been busy with field hockey and school.
Go Raiders!
Oh, don't ever do that again.
I do it every time.
So yeah, what are we talking about today?
Diablo. Talking about Diablo. We got a new line of Diablo products in, so we're gonna go down that aisle section by section and talk about all the new stuff. Yeah, we got a screen pointing at us now. This is a new edition, so we can see us, so we realize how weird we look. Yeah.
It's really goofy. It's goofy.
Yeah.
We don't like it. It's goofy.
So yeah, this week we're gonna go over briefly our newest section. We're gonna, like I said, we got a whole aisle of stuff over here. So we're starting with the Sawzall blades. So we have general purpose blades, nail embedded wood blades, thick metal blades, medium metal blades. We have some carbide cutting solutions and just, you know, typical regular demo blades. So, demolition blades. So these are your general purpose for nail embedded wood, metal, or PVC pipe. A little quick little, that's what that is. It looks like we're in a green screen, but we're actually right down the aisle, which is pretty cool. Oh, these are the carbide teeth blades. These have carbide teeth? Carbide teeth? Right there, right there. So these hold up really well. I actually had a old dock that was completely wrapped in fiberglass, and it had a little grit in the fiberglass so you wouldn't slip and fall. So I tried a regular skill saw blade. I tried a regular Sawzall blade as well. And these blades right here were the only thing that got through it. I actually did less than half with the other blades, and I finished off with these, did the rest of the project. And it was a good 8x8 section of dock, maybe 10x10, I can't remember exactly, but everything was wrapped in fiberglass and a bunch of it had that like grit in it. So it was almost like sandpaper, dulling everything. So yeah, below the Sawzall blades, we have jigsaw blades, and we have your most common type, which is the little T-top type. Got the little T-top type. So this is for ceramic tile. It's actually got carbide grit on the edge of the blade, right here, right along the edge, other edge, this edge right here. Everything's backwards on the screen that I'm looking at, so it messes with me. So yeah, we have that. That's just one example. We also have laminate blades, composite decking, thin metal, thick metal, and we got multi-packs as well. Right here. Fast cutting wood blades. Oop, that way. So yeah, we have those. So Diablo's definitely growing in the market. You're seeing more and more of their products. It's probably the #1 selling blade currently as far as skill saw blades go. So further down the aisle, we'll have a little bit, you know, when we get further down the aisle, we'll be able to talk about those. Yeah, so that's kind of the basics on this stuff. All right, so we're gonna talk about the oscillating blade solutions. They have the Starlock line on this side, fits all Starlock products. So, and it's also compatible with some non-Starlock multi-tools. And then they also have their own universal fit design that meets other applications. It's not necessarily Starlock, so you can kind of get a look at the top of that thing right there. It's a little, there it is. That's your universal fit one. And then the Starlock is this one right here, which if I can get it turned. So that style. A little dim, but there we go. A little better in the light right there. So that's the Star Lock. So they have a couple different options. They have regular blades that are bi-metal, and then they also have carbide. The carbide lasts 50 times longer, up to 50 times longer than the carbide. Than the regular bi-metal. They actually use a coating on this to help prevent things from sticking. They call it their black ice coating. So it helps the whatever you're cutting, prevent it from sticking to the blade, so it cuts that much finer. It also helps keep the blade cooler, so it doesn't heat up, and heat is what dulls blades. You get them hot, they kind of dull out quick. So yeah, so these we have a whole variety of. We have them in single packs and in 3 packs. We have them for general purpose. We have them specifically for drywall. We have them for nail embedded wood. We have them for concrete and mortar and grout. And then we have them for specifically for scrapers. If you want to like remove soft adhesives. So we have that. Some that are specifically for grout. They have a diamond grit on the end of it for grout. So that's pretty handy for that reason. And then there's a whole line of for just sanding. They're little triangle shaped things. If you have a multi-tool, this gets into some pretty hard to reach places. So that's specifically for sanding, which is really handy. So we have them for those as well. And then down below this section, we're going to move over to the diamond masonry blades. And this section, not everything has arrived yet, but we do have, it's for concrete, reinforced concrete, brick, and cinder blocks. We got them for 4-inch, 4.5, 5-inch angle grinders. We also have them for 6-inch circular saws, 7-inch circular saws. We have a giant rim cup wheel for masonry. It's got the diamond rim. It's supposed to remove things 3 times faster. We also have that in a smaller size, 4-inch, 4.5, 5-inch. So yeah, that covers some of the masonry solutions and different oscillating blades for multi-tools, which are really good. They're so handy. Yeah, so that covers that. Great, so there you have it. We appreciate everyone coming by, whether it was morning, afternoon, night, evening. We appreciate you taking the time to listen to me rattle on. So if you would, share with your friends, because sharing is caring, and comment down below. Just one more reason to come out here to Percy's Hardware. We appreciate the support that we get. And you know, we're here 7 days a week. There's no self-checkouts. You actually get waited on here. So yeah, hopefully you guys are liking the small town atmosphere here at the little store as opposed to the big stores. Thank you very much. We will see you next Tuesday.